The future is now, ladies. So y'all go ahead to Heels.
And higher achievement. So www.healshigh.org. Send me an email. Definitely will respond. And you can also set up a complimentary financial. And that's what I want to make sure. Everything we do is educating first. So it's a complimentary financial needs analysis that you could come. And then they also can find about setting up workshops. I do them virtually, doing class courses now as well. And then just to have a discussion among young girls, and as well as understanding just loving technology, science, math, all of the things that are a great thing, but we are phenomenal. We've always been phenomenal women. We just have to understand it.
That's right. And as African women, we know that science began in the motherland. All right. So you
Mhm.
shouldn't be afraid of science. If you are a Black girl out there, don't let anybody tell you what you cannot achieve. You can achieve it with your heels up high, darling. We've done it and we want to inspire you to do the same. And so I'm Queen Quet. I'm the chiefess and head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. You can always find me at queenquet.com, queenquet.com, and make sure to follow GullahGeecheeNation.com